Adi in my life as a bayot nga karawan nga naabot sa katabay. So karon day, gila ay mako karon sa tindahan day. Ako naman lagi usad day. Kay klase maroon day. Unya day. Giingnan man kong yaya day. Nga mukuyog ba daw ko sa katabay. Kaya magpaayo ra daw sila sa wifi. Kaya nadaot man ilang wifi day. So karon day, manakay na may pambot day. Kay para mularga na mi day. Nya day. Shout out ko ani nilang duha day. Mawala nang eskwela ka, wala ko ni klase. Unya klase day to day. Nya day. Mularga na mi day. Kay upurado kay si ila day. Natuo goro siya mall na among adtuan day. Na isla ramang gihapon na day. Ambot na lang jud nimo day. Ay da. Unya day. Ito na day. Para mo under na day ba? Unya day. Kay ni under naman na day. Mo fast forward na ta day. Unya day naabot naman mi day. Mo ambak na ta day. So karon day. Maginainay na taglakaw day. Kasi milayo ra ba to among adtuan day. Kakinsa man yung mga anak day. Ka mga cute gud ato nila day. Unya day. Nangasaag ming duha yaya day. Kay paspas magud kayo nila ko si Kuya Jilan day. Unya day. May noon day nangutana rami day. Unya day. But nami sa mong yatuan day. So karon day. Naghinoktok si ila day. Unya day. Wala siya nahimo day. Gaduwa na lang jud siya. Unya day. Nang laag mi eskwelahan day.
Hi dong, ang vlog.
Isog kayong bata, day. Wala naman kong iyang sumbagon, day. Onya, day. Naabot namin sila eskwelahan, day. Onya, day. Mauna na eskwelahan, day. Sige na matag onya. Walay karon. Onya, day. Nangita mig tindahan, day. Kaya gusla si ila, day. Onya, day. Kaya naamay magpa-shoutout nato, day. Ipang shoutout sa ni nato sila, day. Shoutout kong kaka-vlog, day. Og ni Clinton Martinez. Og ni John Rian Torion. Og ni Anthony. Og ni Erich Jean Polistico. Og ni Kyle E. Harris. Maora to sila, day. So karon, day. Kaya gitagaan man mig snacks, day. Mga unta. Lain masad atong ilabay day. Onya day. Manguli na mi day. Kay naayo naman. Og maora to day oy. Daghang salamat. And thank you for watching. Bye bye in babush.